making America home for over half a century. IPEX USA has been at the forefront of the industry, designing and manufacturing systems and solutions to the world's water challenges and transition to clean energy. This long history of innovation continues today with the grand opening of our new U.S. technological flagship manufacturing facility in Pineville, North Carolina. Modern, clean, and climate-controlled, this 200,000 square foot state-of-the-art injection molding plant is one of the most advanced plastics manufacturing facilities in the world. Every detail reinforces our commitment to world-class safety and sustainability. Our flagship facility includes 60 electric injection molding machines. These high-efficiency machines require 30% less energy than their hydraulic counterparts. Equipped to manufacture a range of products, we also created space for testing and prototyping new innovations, strengthening our commitment to being industry leaders that develop the cutting-edge products our customers need to solve today's challenges. Our U.S. technological flagship manufacturing facility is another step forward in IPEX's strategy to expand our North American footprint. And our continued growth supports the expansion of the communities where we work and live, connecting America's future.